What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Just got to work. I've been out in the field all morning. It is so hot and humid, but it's just so nice to have a break from the cold weather. Anyway, haven't had anything to eat. I've been fasting over 18 hours at this point, and I'm starting to get a little bit hungry. So I stopped off at Wendy's. It was just convenient, so easy to do this. I'm going to show you what I got. This is a full day of food here, guys. This is 4 quarter pounders. So I will eat 2 at a time and then 2 later. A pound of beef. Wendy's beef is just 100% beef. That's it. There's some salt in it. There's no fillers, none of that. So it's the way to go when you're on the road. I am not having electrolytes today. I feel like I don't need them really much anymore. Sometimes it's nice, but the Wendy's burgers have quite a bit of salt in it, so I don't need to have more salt on top. Anyway, so that's that. So many of you want to know what I eat in a day. Here's a great example. You go until you're hungry. You don't have to wake up and make yourself breakfast unless you're hungry. You can fast. You don't have to fast. For me, it's unintentional. I'm not doing it on purpose. I have had breakfast many mornings, but I'm just not hungry today. So I think I'm going to have one of these burgers now before I get inside, maybe another one in a little while, and then the other 2 for dinner. And that's that. So I have my big cup of water here. No electrolytes in it. It's just water. And then always in my truck, let me show you what I've been keeping. Let me pull it out. Don't mind the boxes. Those are shirts for work. Chomps, non-sponsored. This is something that I ordered with my own money. I love these things. Look at that. Grass-fed, grass-finished, no junk in it, nothing. I keep these in my car. So in the event I get hungry and I don't have time to stop, or I didn't make anything or whatever, I have beef. That's it, guys. Such a great Carnivore is going so well. I love it. I absolutely love it. This weekend, Saturday, we're having family over for Mother's Day. And then Sunday, we're also having family over for Mother's Day. We split it because of my son Kevin's work schedule. He's a career firefighter and he works 24-hour shifts. He can't make it on Sunday. So Kevin, his fiance, Ashley, her mom, and a couple of other people are coming on Saturday. And then Sunday is my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, and maybe my nephew. We're not really sure yet. Jess, Brittany, and I will be at both, obviously. So it'll be an exciting weekend. I will show you everything I'm eating. I'll show you everything I'm preparing. I'll probably do a Mother's Day weekend vlog for you. So anyway, that's it, guys. I love you all. Have a great day. Stay focused and just consider Carnivore, guys. It's amazing. Amazing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.